All right, so now we want to be able to update contacts on our server through our front end here. So we're going to go back to our contact state. And let's see, we have the update contact down here. But what I'm going to do is move this. I'm going to move it up to where we're dealing, we have the rest of our CRUD functionality. So I'll put it right under the delete. And we're going to be sending data. Let's see, let's mark this async. And then I'm going to copy everything in the add contact. So this right here, the config, the try catch. Let's grab that and let's put that in update. I'll leave that dispatch for now. So we're going to need to add the content type, and then the request is going to be a put request to API contacts, and then we need to pass in the ID. Now remember, we're getting the whole contact passed in here, so let's add some backticks here, and let's pass in slash and then contact dot underscore ID. Okay, and then we're going to pass in, let's see, you can pass in the contact here, which comes in, and then the config, and then for the dispatch, we want to do this. I'll just grab this and replace this. Okay, now for the payload, instead of just sending the direct contact, we want to send the response data from the server. And if something goes wrong, we'll just put it in state, the error in state. So that's it. So we'll save that. And now we're going to go to our reducer, because if we look in our reducer in the update, we're dealing with ID, where we want to be dealing with underscore ID here and here. Okay, so I think that should do it. So let's go back. And good, no console errors. So let's try to edit Jen Johnson. We'll change her phone number. And let's change her to personal. Maybe John Doe and Jen Johnson got a little closer. So we'll update. There we go. So it updates the UI. Let's go ahead and reload, and it's updated. It updated on the back end in the database. All right, cool. So we have full CRUD functionality here now, and I believe that we're all set. I believe we're done. So we can still, of course, filter. Got a little animation going. Yeah, so we can log out. If we log in as Sam, we should have completely different contacts. Good. So now we have a system where you can register and log in and add your own contacts. So in the next video, we're going to talk about deploying. We're going to deploy to a platform called Heroku. So I'll see you then.